I'm gonna do a little, yeah. Boom, it's time to literally drench this hair. This wig is very long. I am going to cut her. I wanted to give bob, you know, I just cut off about, and then I'm gonna give it layers so that it looks like this pour attempt at layers. This is how it's looking. The baby hairs to be super, super clean. So I'm going in with some powder foundation and I'm just lightly tapping that on the part and just some of the lace. I did bleach the knots on this wig and yeah, I accidentally kind of turned it like bright orange. So ignore that, ignore that.